This is the Shell Phone Show, showing you how to do something on the BlindShell Classic 2. Thanks to Club Unmute, unmute.show.
Yeah. What's up once again, peoples? This is your man Adrian, aka Drizzler. Just coming out and doing another quick demo for the Shell Phone Show. Now, in this particular demonstration, I'm going to be showing how we can join a Zoom meeting that's within the email. So this is going to be slightly different from the last Zoom demo I did for the Shell Phone Show. Now, this will apply for the BlindShell Classic 2 as well as the Classic 3. I will be using the Classic 3 in this demo, and I'm assuming your email is already set up on your BlindShell. Now, we got a couple of different ways how we can pull up the email. You can either go inside the applications folder, and it'll be located inside the communications folder, or if you have the email saved in your favorites on that side button, or the third way is you can pull it up with dictation. So I'm going to press that side button, email.
Opening email. New email. 1 of 10.
So my email is open. I'm going down bar.
Inbox. 2 of 10.
To my inbox. I'm going to press OK.
ACB Community Events Weekend Schedule, April 12th and 13th.
So I'm going to press OK to go inside this email.
Loading. From Michael Babcock via acblist.org.
Now we're inside this ACB community email. So now what you want to do is you want to press the OK button once again.
Reply. 1 of 8.
So now we can either down bar or we can press the number 5 to go to the 5th setting.
Open in browser. 5 of 8.
And you want to go to the open in browser setting. I'm going to press OK on this.
Loading page.
This will take about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll know it's done when you press the down bar and you can down bar through the page.
From.
Okay, there you go. The web page is up.
Michael Babcock via acblist.org.
So now this web page is up with this email. I'm going to press the number 4 key on the keypad.
Links.
It'll take me to links. And now I'm just going down bar to the Zoom meeting that I'm looking for. And since this is Sunday afternoon, I'm looking for the 4 p.m. meeting. I believe it's called St. Lucy's God.
9 a.m. ACB presents the daily schedule. 12 p.m. Handy around the house, housing rights and accommodations.
And as you can hear, it says the time of the meeting and the name of the meeting. So these are the Saturday Zoom meetings on the ACB community email. So I'm going down bar until I get to the Sundays.
9 a.m. ACB presents the daily schedule.
Okay, here goes Sunday.
4 p.m. St. Lucy's Guide.
Okay, there goes 4 p.m. St. Lucy's God. So I'm going to press OK on that.
Loading page. Edit text. Adrian. Your name.
Okay, now it opens up with the edit box where I can put my name. I'm going to press OK on that.
Adrian. Keyboard shown. Your name.
It opens up and you can either T9 type your name or you can press that voice dictation button and dictate your name in if you want to. And once we press OK on this, it should get ready to bring me into the Zoom meeting. I'm going to press OK.
Confirm. 1 of 2.
It's going to ask me to confirm.
Preparing meeting. Recording in progress.
Going to be doubly problematic.
And there goes the Zoom meeting right there. So now we're going to arrow down. You heard that recording in progress once again. I'm going to arrow down to the bottom.
Last item. Details. This meeting is recorded.
You hear that? This meeting is being recorded.
Details tooltip. OK.
And I'm going to go to the OK button. Press OK on that. And now I'm officially in the meeting.
First item. Audio source is speakerphone.
So now we have all the same settings in here like I showed in my last Zoom demo.
My audio source is speakerphone.
Where audio source is speakerphone. I can press OK to turn that off. And now it's on earphone where it's playing through the earphone of the BlindShell. Put it back on speakerphone, press OK.
Audio source is speakerphone.
Supported Argonaut.
There goes the leave.
Recording. Image. Unmute. Unmute my audio button 1 of 11.
There goes the unmute my audio.
Start video.
Start video. If you want to raise your hand once again, you want to look for the reaction button. There you go right there. Press OK.
Reactions button.
You just arrow back up to the top.
Reactions. Close. Raise hand.
And there goes the raise hand right there if you want to raise your hand. So all these settings are still the same, just like in my last Zoom demo. So I'm going to close this.
Audio source is leave.
I'm on the leave setting. And now I just left out of the Zoom meeting and I come back all the way out of this, holding the back button.
4:35 p.m.
Now let me give a few more tips before we get out of here. Number 1, make sure you got your email already set up on your BlindShell so you'll be able to receive like these ACB community emails that have these Zoom meetings in them. Number 2, if you haven't done it, make sure you go inside the Zoom app and set those same settings up where you always want to show meeting controls under settings, meetings, and the general tab. If you don't remember how to do that, just listen to my last Zoom demonstration and everything will be the same once you load up a Zoom meeting through the internet browser. Number 3, when you boot up a Zoom meeting within an email, you do not have to punch in a meeting ID or a passcode. All you got to do is just put in your name. So that's pretty much how you use Zoom going through your email. Specifically, this was an ACB community call. So hope this helps. Any questions, just hit me up at drizza17@att.net. That's DRIZA17@att.net. Peace.
Thanks for listening to today's Shell Phone Show. We hope you'll catch us back next time to learn something about the BlindShell Classic 2. Did you know you can get more helpful content like this? Visit unmute.show for podcast contents and to learn about Club Unmute. Thanks to Andre Louis and his shorts collection for the music used in this content.